Here are 5 fractions. Which one of these fractions is not equivalent to a quarter? So let's do this. So a quarter times the top and the bottom by 2, you get 2/8. Times the top and the bottom by 10, you get 10/40. 12/48, I'm going to write that down because that's a little bit harder to work out. I'll consider it later. 5/24, I'm going to write that down. 20/40, I times it both by 2 to get 2/8 and then times it by 10 again. So let's work out these two. So let's say 5/24, I'd have to times the top, I've got a quarter. To get the top to 5, I'd have to times the top by 5 and the bottom by 5, which will give me 5/20. So 5/20 is obviously the one. Let's do 12/48. 12/48. We've got a quarter. To get to 1 to 12, I need to times the top by 12 and the bottom by 12. Top becomes 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. So it's definitely 5/20. Okay, let's do a bit. 2/7 plus 1/14. Now we can't add these at the moment because the denominators are different. So I need to make them equivalent fractions with the same denominator. There is a thing called cross multiplying where you times 7 by 14, but you get some ridiculously big number. Lowest common multiple of 7/14 is 14. So I can actually change this to 14/14. This stays as 1/14. Because I've times the bottom by 2, I need to times the top by 2 to make it 4/14. So my answer is 5/14. Okay. My last one on this section, 4/5 divided by 3/10. Right. When we do this, we always do KFC, as in a chicken restaurant. Keep the first one, flip the second one, change the sign. Now we're multiplying fractions, which is a lot easier to do. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 3 is 15. It does say keep the answer in the simplest form, so we need to simplify this. Try and find any number that goes into the top and the bottom. Normally we go halving first, it's just the easiest thing to do, but that doesn't work because 15 is an odd number. But 5 goes into them both. So how many 5s go into 15 is 3. How many 5s that go into 40 is 8. See if I can cancel it down. I can't. Now 8 3s is in the simplest form, but I like to change it as a mixed number. So how many 3s go into 8, which is 2, so big 2, because 3 times 2 is 6. I've got a remainder 2, so it's 2 2/3.